Since the Force Gurkha is in market from a while, we will only focus on changes made to the 2024 edition. Absolutely no changes at the front or rear. The addition of the rear door in this 5-door version is obvious when viewed from the side. The alloy wheels are new too. Outside rear view mirrors are new. They are wider and smarter looking than before. The outgoing car had 16-inch rims with 245/70 tires. न्यू मॉडल में 18 इंच के alloy wheels to 55/65 टायर्स आते हैं. पीछे व्हील्स में ड्रम ब्रेक ही मिलेंगे. Being an off-road ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस ज्यादा है तो फ्लोर हाइट भी ज्यादा है. Not ideal for older people. इसमें आपको आगे मॉडिफाई किए हुए इंडिपेंडेंट डबल विशबोन सस्पेंशन विद कॉइल स्प्रिंग्स मिल जाता है, जिसकी वजह से ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस हैज गॉन अप फ्रॉम 100 to 233 मिलीमीटर्स. नई गोरखा में अब पार्किंग कैमरा मिलेगा. पहले सिर्फ पार्किंग सेंसर्स मिलते थे जो अभी भी मिलेंगे. द गुरखा इज नाउ अवेलेबल इन 4 colors: black, green, red and white. Overall design of the dashboard is identical to the outgoing car and the fit and finish has improved, but quality is still not close to Mahindra Thar. Steering wheel is carried over from the outgoing car. It gets tilt and telescopic adjustment, basic wiper and indicator stocks. No rain sensing wipers or auto headlamps here. But you do get follow me home headlamps and lead me to car function. You get grab handles on the A-pillars which helps to get in the car. Digital instrument cluster is new. It is easy to read. Eco and power drive modes are depicted in green and yellow colors. 4 high and 4 low modes are displayed below the digital speedometer. Outside rear view mirror is placed to the right of the steering wheel. Door pad is identical in design to the outgoing car. Pedals are well spaced out. A useful dead pedal is a new addition. Another new addition is the fuel flap release. Now key is not needed for fuel top-ups. Interior rear view mirror is now gets manual day-night adjustments. ORVMs are wider than before. Design is same but it gets some updates. Center console features a new 9-inch touchscreen head unit which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also gets input for rear camera. Force Motors needs to pay more attention to detail. On some cars USB ports are not straight while cover for 12-volt point is flimsy. Basic controls for air conditioner, switches for co-passenger airbag, drive modes, fog lamps and idle start-stop is now placed on dashboard above the AC switches. Center console कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. इसमें आपको 5 स्पीड ट्रांसमिशन मिल जाता है. पावर विंडो के स्विचेस गियर नॉब के लेफ्ट में है और 4-व्हील ड्राइव सिस्टम को ऑपरेट करने के लिए अब एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शिफ्टर आता है. एक 12 वोल्ट का सॉकेट कंसोल के पीछे मिल जाता है. द गुरखा बैज एंड कबी होल ऑन द पैसेंजर साइड ऑफ द डैशबोर्ड आर न्यू. Glove box is small in size but has multiple compartments. Fixed type grab handles have been provided above all passenger doors. Cabin light is located on the roof between the front seats. Old-fashioned roof-mounted air conditioner vents are provided. They look like direct lift from first-generation Safari die-core. It also has 3 fan speeds. Rear door pads have an identical theme to the front ones. Power window switches have been provided. The rear seat is quite flat. It can accommodate 3 adults without a problem. Legroom is less but काम चल जाएगा. Center armrest gets 2 cup holders. 2 individual seats have been provided in the third row. They are not adjustable. Second row seat के पीछे last row के लिए cup holders दिए गए हैं. A cabin light has been provided on the roof between the third row seats. Access to the third row seats is only through the tailgate and grab handles have been provided on the seat backs to aid entry. Door pad of the tailgate has an identical theme to the others. The bird eye view of seat arrangements is shown here.